My fiance and I had an argument, so I decided to play his game Star Wars. I thought he wouldn't talk to me, but this is what happened. He taught me what to do.
Wow.
Han Solo, I'm captain of the Millennium Falcon. Yeah, it could work.